Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. There's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller. I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live. We'll be focusing on 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversal, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. We use the Fulgent AI engine that sits on the Metastock platform. Just to recap, this AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicated market relationships using genetic algorithms. So it's doing a tremendous amount of computing power to come up with those 4 AI trading strategies. Jumping straight into the Metastock platform, I've got the Fulgent AI engine loaded. I did the screen earlier. It took about 57 minutes for the AI to run through the FTSE 350 to come up with the most recent trades, as well as the trades that the AI is already in a position. I sorted them from bars, tells you how old the trade is. So we've got Avon Protect, Premier Foods, Polymetal, C&G Group, ITV, X Power, Alliance Trust. These are all trades and gives you an idea how old the trades are. Tells you how many days into a trade is that column there. There's some other trades: Rolls-Royce, Lion Trust, Morrison's, BlackRock, Coates Group, Spirent, Drax Group, JP Morgan Emerging Market Investment Trust. So you can see there's a lot of trades that the AI is already in a position for a long period of time. So let's go and take a look at some of the more recent ones. Premier Foods here. Quick move to the downside. We had a nice volatility breakout the last couple of days. That worked out well. If we go look at the 4-hour chart, see if there's anything interesting on the 4-hour chart. So he has a short position based on the AI on the end of day basis. So we don't really have an active signal on the 4-hour one, but from a end of day basis, the Premier Foods now actually generated a sell signal to the downside. Quick moves are quick trades on the day of the signal, or the next day of the signal, and then out 3 days later. So this should be a quick short there. So Premier Foods, there's in a short position. Dixon Carphone's Warehouse, also a short position, swing trade to the downside. The AI's put the stop loss up there just around 145, so there's some downside risk in this one, with the target here, downside, the support level here as the short sell target. You can see other signals worked out quite well. Swing trade to the upside, August worked well, September trade worked well, November trade worked well, volatility breakout, this February swing trade worked out quite well. So there's been quite a lot of long trades that's been working out very well using artificial intelligence trading the FTSE 350. Avalon Protect, here we go, see, swing trade to the upside. So it will be interesting to see if this one's going to pull through. We see some of the other signals here. Volatility breakout, huge move, caught most of those moves up there. So fantastic trades using AI on Avon. Next up is Polymetal. We can see we have a swing trade to the upside there. In a trade for a couple of days, the AI's got a very wide stop loss. At volatility adjusts its stop loss, so we have stop loss here just below 1370. And the upside profit targets would be these old highs here. The first one would be 15440, and then 1590 as we go along. So that one, Polymetal, there is a swing trade on that one. C&C Group, you can see here also a swing trade, still along. The AI has moved the stop loss up just to below 245 now, and the upside resistance targets would be the profit targets for this particular swing trade, this level there as well as that level there. So we'll minimize that one. XP Power, we'll see there also in a swing trade, very wide stop loss, so you can see you're going to have to be very cautious on this one. And we can see the previous May swing trade worked out beautifully, also captured a nice move on that one. All right, Alliance Trust here, just an example of the AI for a long-term position. We had a major market reversal and a quick move there. This trade is still on the AIs now. Still long this position with a trading stop loss of just that level there, 976, 965, 970. But you can see since May, been a very long position, fantastic return there. In at 730, 735, and is now at 1036. Also a fantastic trade there on using the AI. BP, we've got a volatility breakout signal there. The AI is still in along there with a trading stop loss around 272. Okay, so there is a upside resistance targets would be the profit target would be these alt levels. The first one to watch out for is price action in around 315, as well as price action around 340. So that's the upside potential that we're looking at for BP. And then Royal Dutch Shell is the last one I'm going to highlight here. We've in a volatility breakout, very wide stop loss here. All highs here would be the upside profit targets. These are resistance zones that we're now looking at for this particular trade. That cluster of resistance would be your first profit target, and then the second one, the second trade would be this level up here at just below 16. So these are all the AI generated ideas. Let me just bring that screen back here. You can see quite a lot of trades where the AI is either in a long or in a short, mostly long, a few shorts, but you can see these trades have been on for a while, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. And just to recap, the AI has been trained to look for signals on the FTSE 350, and I'm using particularly the FTSE 100 signals here. And you can see our major market reversal trading strategy has got an average hit rate of 74% accuracy with an average profit per trade of 7.9%. Swing trade's got a 72% accuracy with an average profit per trade of 6.8%. Volatility breakout's a little bit lower, 55% accuracy with a 2.7% average profit per trade over the testing period. Now, the testing period involves thousands and thousands of calculations, trades, so you do realize that this is fantastic statistics for the AI. And then the quick move, which is a high frequency swing trade strategy, is 65% accurate with a 2% trade average profit per trade. Now you must remember the quick swing trade is only a 3-day holding period, so that's quite a good return on average for a 3-day holding period. So absolutely fantastic returns using the artificial intelligence engines to trade the FTSE 350 stocks. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live, where we looked at the FTSE 350 stocks and how to use artificial intelligence to identify high probability trades. Until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.